Hi friends, welcome back, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to use a dishwasher especially for Indian utensils. These are my dirty utensils which are lying in my sink, and now I'll upload in my dishwasher. And as you all can see, I have a lot of Indian utensils, especially wo chai ke bartan and these plates. But before giving it in the dishwasher, I always give little bit of water so that it can remove some of the dirty residue and all the greasy utensils. I always pre-rinse the greasy utensils. So now let's look how my dishwasher looks. So this is how my dishwasher look. There are two compartments, one up and one down. These are the water dispenser fans. So different machines have different styles. So I have like this, and I have three water dispenser fans, and this makes the job little bit easy. And I have one more water dispenser fan on top of it, but I'm not able to show you all. And now let's start giving the dishes. So all the ceramic plates you can give down, it is totally perfect. And whenever you give your plates, arrange in this one. First you give a big plate and then you give the quarter plate, like how I'm arranging, and always face it in the same direction. Don't face the plates in the opposite direction. And this is a good way in which your dishes will be more clean. So always give one big plate and then give one quarter plate. So this is how I am now arranging it. And now here I have in down you can give all your stainless steel containers, chai ki pateli, teapots and all the other vessels. It is totally fine. And see, this is also one stainless steel pan which and yeah, you can give your lid also, but never overcrowd it, as the result will be that many of your dishes will be unclean. So don't overcrowd it. What goes in the top rack? So in the top rack you are supposed to give any glass utensils, and you are supposed to give plastic utensils, but you should always keep everything facing down so that the water don't get collected. And if you have any large like serving spoon, always give it on the top rack. And this is the plastic container. And one more tip is, whenever you buy any vessels or you buy any utensils, you will see always it will be written on the bottom of it, like whether it is dishwasher safe or not, or where perfectly it should go, like it should go on the top rack or it should go on the down rack. Suppose these lids, these are always supposed to go on the top rack. Never give this plastic lid on the down rack. You have loaded everything, just make sure that nothing is blocking the water dispenser, as if it blocks the water dispenser then you won't get that nice cleaning result. So always make sure that nothing is blocking the water dispenser. So now here I will start it, and most of the day as I run my dishwasher daily, I always give it in a normal cycle, and this is heated dry. And the one tip is that before running your dishwasher, just run some hot water in your sink, and so that the first water that goes in your dishwasher is always hot. And this is a very good tip, especially in the winter time, and in this way your dishwasher is ready to go. Comes the most important fact, that what are the things we are not supposed to give in the dishwasher. And the first thing is knife, as it reduces the sharpness. Then try to avoid giving any wooden utensils, as due to the heat it gets cracked. So try avoiding it. And now comes the any copper coating or silver coating utensils, as the coating gets spoiled, as the dishwashing liquids are little bit strong. So try always to hand wash them. And definitely try to avoid any aluminium utensils. I am just showing you the condition of my pressure cooker, and don't give any Tupperware utensils. I don't have any Tupperware. And yeah, any non-stick pan or any non-stick vessel in which it is written that it is not dishwasher safe. In many non-stick vessel now it is written dishwasher safe, so you can give them. And don't ever put any insulated bottle, as it loses the insulation due to the excess heat. So try to avoid giving any insulated bottle. And now my dishwasher is done, so I'll just show you the result. And see, everything is clean nicely. And I'll show you the down rack. So my down rack also is totally clean. So this is how you are supposed to use the dishwasher, and I hope you have liked this video. If so, please hit that like button. Please, if you want any more information, write down on the comment section below. And those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.